Hi there. I now realise that the old game called Hangman is fairly negative, and thanks to Alicia Grace, an adult female Chara, for pointing that out. So today I'd like to share with you a new version of Hangman called Snowman, and Snowman is now a positive game. So Snowman has exactly the same rules as Hangman, except it's just basically a different drawing that you do. So instead of doing the Hangman, you do a Snowman instead. So if you ever played Hangman, then it's it's you against your opponent, and when it's your turn, you think of a word and you put some blanks down on a piece of paper, and in this case it's a 6-letter word, so I've put down 6 blanks, and then your opponent has a go at guessing the letters that might make up this word, and every letter that's correct, then you fill that letter in on the in those blanks, and for every letter that's incorrect, then you start drawing the picture, and hopefully for them, they guess the word before you finish drawing the picture, and hopefully for you, then you get all the picture out before they've guessed the word. So with Snowman then, for each incorrect guess of a letter, then you start drawing the snowman. So for the first incorrect guess, you draw the base of the snowman, and then the next incorrect guess of a letter, you draw the body of the snowman. Third incorrect guess would be the head, and then you might pop on an arm for the 4th incorrect guess. 5th incorrect guess, 6 and 7, you might add the hands in. 8 is one eye, 9 is another eye, and 9 would be a carrot. 10 would be the carrot for the nose, and then the last one, you end up with a smile on the snowman, and that means that you've won the game and your opponent hasn't guessed the word in time and had 11 goes at guessing the word and the letters, and it's been unsuccessful, so you win. So obviously this one's a more positive game because you've ended up with a smiling snowman, and you could, if you want to, add more or less guesses by making the snowman have more or less features. And if you want it to be politically correct, I suppose you could call the game Snow Person. So there we go. That's a positive version of the old game called Hangman, which I'm calling Snowman instead. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.